So I'll be showing you how to take photos with your Redmi Watch 4. So you can take photos with the phone that's linked to your watch. So just go to your phone, maybe you've set it up on a tripod or somewhere else. Launch the camera manually on the phone. And then now to take photos, you can go to your watch. So just go to the main menu and then look for this camera icon. And with that camera icon, if you launch it, and now you can just tap there, and that's going to take photos on the phone. You can see you can now use your watch as a camera remote for your phone. Now, even if you're in video mode, this is also going to take videos. So if you tap on it, it's going to start recording a video, and you can tap on it again to stop recording. Now, if you can go back to photo mode, you'll notice we also have a timer. So you can set, for instance, a 3-second timer. Then you can tap on that. It's going to count to 3 and then take a photo. So that's basically how to take photos with your Redmi Watch 4 using it as a remote for the camera on your phone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.